Guys, let's go straight into this. Due to some of the questions I have in my DM the last time we talked about business registration, yeah, and someone made mention of make sure it's not fake CAC registration they gave you, and my response brought out some messages that people asked me in my DM and also in the group. So I will be showing us how we can get to know if our CAC is actually registered from the CAC portal or it's a designed certificate that was given to us, because many people had fall victim of this in the online space. Yes, that they just gave them a correct raw designed certificate having another person's business number. So let's go into it. What you need to do is to click the link below this video, or you just go to your Chrome or any type of browser making use of. Then you come here and type this https colon forward slash and another forward slash search dot cac dot gov dot ng. Once you input this, you click on search and it will bring you to this interface where you will be having Corporate Affairs Commission Public Search. Click on that first link that shows blue, then it will take you to this place. So when you get to this place, once you get to this place, you are going to see it says public search for existing companies and business entities. All you need to do is to come right to this spot where you have all. Click on this all and you're going to see this different way you can check if that business name was truly registered or it was just a design certificate that was given to you. You can see we have all, we have RC number, which is your registered certificate number. We have the AV code. This AV code is, you might not gain access to it if you were not the one that did the registration yourself. Then the approved name. So these three things are the different ways you can check if that business name was truly registered or not. And I'm going to use each of these as an example for us to see how it is being done. So what you need to do next is to click on this RC number if you want to check with the number you have on your certificate, which is the 7-digit number. Once you pick RC number, it will be showing here. Then you type that your number. Type that your number in this spot. So let's type this number here. You can see when you type this number, you click on this search icon that is beside the name. It will pop up this way. Right now you can see this is showing the name of the business, the number, the date of registration, which is September 9, 2025, the nature of business. You can see sales and distribution of textile materials, and you can see the status, it says active. So this particular name was truly registered and it is active on the CAC portal. The certificate is legit and correct. So that is how you search using the business registration number. So let's search another one. Still using the business registration number, and you click on search. Once you click on search, it's going to bring it out. You can also see this is also showing green, which means it's active and the business was truly registered. Here is the business name. This is the RC number, which is the registration certificate number, the date of registration, the nature of business, and the status of the business. So that is how you check using your business number, which most of us have access to. And we can also check using the name on our certificate, which is the certificate name. So let's go together to check this out. Type in that name that you want to check. Once you type the name, we are searching by name right now. Click on this search bar and allow it to load up for you. You can see it's synchronizing. You can see the name I type in has popped up, and you can see this is a company registration. This is the RC number for the company registration. This is the date of registration, the nature of business, and the status of that particular business. So here is how you check by using name. So let's try and check another name for you to see, to know how it's being done. Send flow logistics. Then you come here and click on search. Allow it to load up, and you're going to see, you can see the name I just imputed has popped up. It's a business name, J Mart Sand Flow Logistics, and here is the business number, which and the date it was registered, the nature of business, and the status of the business. So when you have any of this, it means your business is truly registered. But if it's not registered, you won't be seeing it here. It will not display here for you. So then you will know, oh, what I'm having is not a real CAC certificate. So let's go again to search using the availability code, should in case you want to check with your availability code. Yes, some of us do have access to it. The person that registered for us to send the code. So if you have access to it, you just type that availability code right here, and you will confirm if you truly have a well registered business or a formulated registered business. So here is the availability code of another number from a client, 4391086. Then you come here and click on search. So let's search and see. You can see it says company, date of registration, nature of business, other postal service activities. The status is approved. You can see that. So this is another way of checking your business registration. And once you check it, either your business, either is a company or an NGO, you are free to search here and know to confirm what you are having if you are not sure. So this is the way you can get to know if your business is truly registered or not. I hope you find this helpful. If it does, Don't forget to click the like button, smash that subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I drop new updates on how you can progress as a business vendor, as an online vendor in the online space. Don't forget to also drop your questions in the comment section.